Hey, what's up? My name is Kath. Welcome back to Throwback Thanksgiving week, posting tutorials with throwback palettes every single day this week, and I'm also running a giveaway all week long and into next week, so if you want to enter that, the link will be in the description box. Today's tutorial is going to be with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Palette, the original, not the Love Signs one. And this is such a loved palette, and for good reason. There's so much you can do with this, and it's really good quality for not a very high price. So today I'm doing this sort of cranberry burgundy, I guess I'd call it a smoky eye, I don't really know. I'm really bad at classifying anything that's not like a halo eye or a cut crease, whoops. But yeah, I did a really similar look to this when I did my Norvina palette tutorials, so if you were into that similar look but you didn't want to buy a $60 palette, I don't blame you, but you have this palette, might help strike some inspiration in there. They do have a lot of similar tones in them, and the quality of this palette really is super amazing. So if you're excited for this video, if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'm posting videos all week long, and let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Eyes are primed with Milani Eye Primer because what's new? Charlotte's purring under my camera. We're ready to go. And I have cat hair all over my makeup brushes because somebody likes to sniff them. Can't imagine who would do that. So anyways, I'm starting out with Aquarius. The matte shade Aquarius. It's this just light tan shade, really good for transition shades. I'm using my BH Cosmetics number 11, and I'm just placing this down into the crease super lightly. Outer corner, you know, just like you would normally do a transition shade, just all up and out everywhere you're gonna be blending makeup. This is such a good transition shade brush, and I can't believe they stopped making it. It wasn't even made for transition shades. They just stopped making it, and I'm so glad I have at least 3 of them. And now I'm going into this reddish brown shade, the matte Scorpio shade. This is an AOA Studio E126, and I went in super lightly because this shade tends to go on pretty pigmented. And I'm really gently putting this into the crease. I have no clue what's up with the focus issues. I'm so sorry, but I guarantee it's annoying me more than it's annoying you. Bringing it out to about the inner part of my iris and into the outer corner. And I'm just using a super light hand so it swirls on nice and blended. Might need to add some more, but I'd rather add more than have too much. And now I'm taking a BH Studio Pro number 5 and going into the matte Leo shade, which is this cute dark-ish burgundy color. And this is going more concentrated in the outer corner, and we're going to take it into the crease a little bit, but really no farther than the center of the eyes. So we're getting a cute purple outer corner here. And I want just a little more definition and slightly less intense of a purple. So I'm going into the matte Pisces shade with the same brush because we recycle on this channel. And I'm just kind of going over where we put that down very gently. I don't want it to be too intense or anything. Still want that nice blended look going on. Just a little smokier or more defined, yeah. And I'm just going to take that original number 11 brush and no new product. I'm just kind of swirling that over the edges to help give it a little bit of an extra blend. And now's where it gets real fun. I'm going into the shimmery Libra shade, which is this pretty cranberry color. I'm using a flat concealer brush. This one's one of the ones on the Urban Decay Naked brushes. And to add just a little touch more of oomph to that, I'm going into the shimmer shade Scorpio, which is this really pretty, like, pure copper shade. Same brush, just the other side. And I'm spritzing that too. And I'm just gonna kind of like tap that onto the center of the lid. Just gonna like bring a little bit of like light and definition there, but it's still gonna blend really nicely into that burgundy shade, so it's not gonna stand out too much. I find that like layering these shimmers gets a lot of texture out of them, which I love. And I was tapping a touch more of that matte Pisces shade into the outer corner. And that's all I'm going to do for the upper lid. I'm going to do some liner, lashes, and face makeup, and I'll be back to finish the lower eye. Alrighty, time for the under eye, which is going to be really quick because I'm me. So I'm going to go, I literally have the wrong end of the brush, that's so cute. I'm going to go into that dark brown shade, the matte Pisces shade, with the liner brush. And very gently putting that along the lash line. And that's it. And I just want a little bit of an inner eye highlight, but I don't really like the highlight that comes in that palette. It just doesn't mesh with my skin tone really well, so I'm using this one from a Milani palette. It's just a little bit more of a pearl tone. And that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'm here all week, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!